Hi, there are several tools which allow you to have online lessons using video conferencing. And the one we are going to use today is Google Meet. Google Meet is free and it's quite good to use in a classroom setting. So I'm using the browser Chrome right now, which is the best browser to be used with Google Meet. And I'm signed in with my Google account. I will go to meet.google.com right now, as you can see, and this will bring you to this page. And what we need to do right now is starting up our meeting. As you can see, I'm still signed in, and you will have to choose an item or a topic or the subject you will teach. So let's say that we will teach math, and you can include the date as well, but Wednesday, etc., etc. Then you will have to push next. And right now you're not in the meeting yet. This is the time you can check your microphone, your webcam, and the first time you will have to enable your webcam and your microphone and the address bar on top of this in the browser. And this will need you to require you to hit some buttons, but once you are seeing yourself, your webcam is active, and then you can select participate now. People can even participate using their phone, and I wouldn't suggest that you press present right now. So we will join this meeting, and this is an important moment because right now you're getting the address you have to share with the others. So everybody will be able to join the meeting using this address. This is the one you need to send by email to everybody. So you can add people to join this meeting as well by entering their email addresses. But this all involves that everybody will get the email right before you will start the meeting or even during the meeting. Okay, there's a workaround, so you can schedule a meeting up front, but that's not really easy, to be frankly. So once you close this window, you're in your own meeting, and you can find something at the bottom, the button to um, deactivate your microphone. Once it's red, nobody is able to hear you, so make sure this is white. Same with the video, nobody is able to see you. So, activate your webcam so it's white. You can present something, you can present what's happening on your screen, the full screen, or just one window. I suggest that you only share one window in case you opened up PowerPoint up front, or right now you can select only PowerPoint to be shared on your screen. So everybody, every participant, every student will be able to see that screen. You can see the participants. You can see the fact that I'm talking, that my microphone is working here, and you can hit this button at the right top, and you can see everybody who joined the session. So you can see like, hi John and hi Mary, you're all part of this meeting right now. You can even add people to this meeting, and you can go to the chat. The chat is a great backup, the first communication line basically. This is what people can use when their microphone is not working, so they can still mention something, that their sound is not working, microphone, they're not able to see you, etc., etc., or they're not able to see what you shared on your screen. So the chat is really important, and please communicate in your email that people have to use the chat once they will enter this meeting. So both are really important. This allows you to see the others. This allows you to see what they're writing. This communication. Make sure that once people hear you very badly, very poorly, that sound is very poorly, to check whether everybody is able to hear you very poorly, because this can involve that your internet connection is very bad or the others. And once you know it's yours or the others, you can turn off the webcam, because this is the thing, the part which takes a lot of bandwidth. So without a webcam, people will be able to hear you far better. Okay. Then the three dots over here in the right bottom will allow you to record the meeting, and after ending the meeting, this file, the recording, will be saved on your Google Drive folder basically. It allows you to add subtitles, which is interesting, and which how people can call in using their phone basically for audio, because that's an option as well. By going to settings, you can change your audio and your video. You can choose which webcam has to be used in case you have more than one, and you can choose which quality you want to send out, and you can choose the audio as well. Allows you to test, and maybe you will have more microphones. You can choose which one you prefer to be used during this meeting. And that's basically it. That's how people can join this meeting. Scheduling again is not that easy. Administrators can add some add-ons to your calendar, etc. Those are available, but they are not so easy to install, and the workaround is quite tough.